Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy gems in Clash of Clans. We'll cover several effective strategies to boost your gem count without spending real money. From clearing obstacles in your village to completing various achievements, there are many ways to consistently earn this valuable currency. We'll also look at the gem mine and special events that offer fantastic opportunities for free gems. Let's dive in and maximize your gem income. Clearing obstacles is a fundamental way to earn gems. Every 8 hours, new trees, rocks, or bushes can appear in your home village. Each time you remove one, you'll receive a random amount of gems, ranging from 0 to 6. To ensure new obstacles spawn, keep a 20 by 20 tile area clear. Consistency is key here. Make it a habit to clear them whenever they appear for a steady gem flow. Achievements are another excellent source of gems. There are numerous challenges within the game that reward you with gems upon completion, so check your achievement list regularly. Additionally, in the builder base, you can repair and upgrade the gem mine. This structure passively generates gems over time. Make sure to collect from it every 8 hours to maximize its output and keep your gem count growing. Keep an eye out for seasonal challenges and special events, as these frequently offer generous gem rewards. Another fantastic, albeit random, source is the gem box. This special obstacle appears in your home village approximately once every 7 days. Removing it instantly grants you 25 gems. Always clear it as soon as you see it to ensure the next one can spawn, boosting your gem collection significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.